After Union Minister Farooq Abdullah sparked a massive outrage over his sexist remark, cornered, he apologized but also lashed out at the media, claiming that he is being targeted. Now this has further fueled the fire. The question is, was this an apology or was it plain arrogance?
कल तो डर लग गया है लड़की से बात करने का। अब तो ये हालत हो गई है। बल्कि हम तो समझते हैं कि हमने किसी ने भी सेक्रेटरी नहीं रखना है अब लड़की, कि खुदा ना खास्ता कहीं ऐसी शिकायत ना हो जाए कि हम ही जेल पहुंच जाए। नो नो, आई एम नॉट ब्लेमिंग द गर्ल्स, आई एम ब्लेमिंग द सोसाइटी इटसेल्फ। कि सोसाइटी इस तरह में पहुंच गई है कि अब एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ को दबाव होने लगा है। थिंग्स हैव गॉन little hayway. People are scared now. No doubt we are all against rape and anything to do which undermines the prestige of a woman. We're all against, putting women, they should get their respect. And that is why we are fighting here also, that you should get your 33% reservation that is necessary, that bill should go through. Now, if there is something that I've said which has gone wrongly, I'm sorry for it. I never meant it that way. The question here is that one should be very careful in dealing with such things.
So you basically also said that you scared to hire women.
I think it's not only me, everybody else here is afraid. Even when you have to see a lady in the office, now you have to have another man there standing, so that one may not say that something has been done.
So are you continuing with that particular step?
अरे यार काय को मुझको फंसा रहे हो? तुम्हारा मीडिया और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकता है। कभी तो मोदी को पकड़ लेते हो, कभी किसी चीज को पकड़ लेते हो। अब क्या औरतों को ही पकड़ना है तुम लोगों ने? सारे मर्दों को तुम जेल भेज दो सीधा और सब ठीक हो जाए। क्या करते हो तुम लोग?
Do you think it's at a time when the entire public discourse is going around? Sir?
I think it's a terrible thing. This thing, gender basis जो हो रहा है, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. And I apologize if there is something that you feel that something has been said which I didn't mean. If that has happened, I'm sorry for that. But I don't mean that. अरे यार मैं अंदर था तो उमर अब्दुल्ला से कैसे बात करता? क्या खुदा ऊपर से आता उमर अब्दुल्ला से मिलाने के लिए? क्या मीडिया है तुम लोग यार? तुम लोग तो बेड़ा गर्क करोगे इंसान का.
Do you think your words have been perhaps misunderstood?
Yes, they have been completely misunderstood. I have never in any way derogated the women's. There is no question.
Your son has tweeted saying it's a misplaced humor and the father must...
My son didn't probably... He is as misinformed as everybody else about the remarks. That is what is the problem.
It was said in a lighter way?
I say many things in a lighter way, with the hope that better messages will go to the people.
You apologize, sir?
यार तब कितना खिंचोगी? अब क्या जेल भेजोगी मुझे?
I feel that it somehow denigrates the very sanctity of the parliament that he represents, and the steps of parliament being used to make such a insensitive remark is extremely outrageous. Mr. Farooq Abdullah, through his statement, possibly gives an indication to the nation that women are to be hired only so that they can be harassed and assaulted at a place of work, which I feel is not how men across the nation feel. But coming from such a senior political leader, it also brings a question to the fore, especially amidst people at large, as to whether these are the kind of men who sit on legislation which seek to empower women in Parliament.
Dr. Abdullah has made a profession out of taking everything very lightly. Because he took everything in Kashmir lightly, it became a total mess. His ministry is a total mess. And while he enjoys himself, the only pictures you see of him is dancing or going abroad or things. That's the problem when you take things lightly.
फारूक साहब ने क्या कहा मैंने नहीं सुना. आप लोग जो कह रहे हो सकता है कि वैसे तो हमारे संविधान में बराबर का अधिकार है. आज तक तो महिलाओं को डर लगता रहा कि जब तक कानून नहीं बना था, जब तक अवेयरनेस नहीं हुई थी, वो जा नहीं सकती थी, आ नहीं सकती थी. और आज अगर कोई ऐसे सोचता है तो ये शायद हमारी सोच को बदल लेना चाहिए.
I think that after the Supreme Court panel's findings on that Justice Ganguly is prima facie guilty of sexual harassment, Farooq Abdullah has felt the need to basically threaten and intimidate all women that if you expect to get a job, keep a job, not be thrown out of your job, then you should suffer sexual harassment in silence. That's exactly what his statement means. It's unconstitutional, it's misogynistic, and it should have no place in our public discourse.
Senior leader like Farooq Abdullah making such a irresponsible statement is totally unacceptable. What is he trying to do? Is he trying to send a message that if you work with a man, you must be ready to get sexually exploited or you will not get the job? I think this is totally uncalled for, and he must apologize for what he has said.